So Luna is now on its 6th consecutive green monthly candle, and if it closes green in a day and 23 hours, historically the 7th candle is a red candle. So if I look over here on Bitcoin, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive green monthly candles. The 7th is a red. If we look at Ethereum, something similar happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th is a red. So what I'm suggesting here is that Luna is going to do something similar, because this pattern persists in all of crypto. If you look at this section of my screen over here, every single red flag I marked shows an example of this pattern happening. Every single one of these. And you might be wondering, well, there's a couple of these that aren't flagged, so this pattern must not be that consistent. Well, it is 74% consistent, and the only reason why I don't have these marked is because it never had 6 green monthly candles in a row for me to show proof. So I'm not saying Luna is going to go down to the depths of hell and start going all the way down there. I'm just suggesting that for the 7th month, which will be December, Luna might take a little break and stay within this range. I know a lot of people think that Luna is about to, go up a lot higher and just do this, but I am going to tell you some bad news. You might have to wait a little longer. So just to get on with this list, we showed Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now BNB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. We go to Doge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7th is red. We go to Luna. Well, we're doing Luna right now. Uniswap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. So I mean, you can skip ahead in the video, but I'm just going to show you all the times this has happened. And all these coins are the top 50 largest market cap coins in crypto. So I'm not really nitpicking here. I'm just showing you the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. And so why I colored this in purple is because this is 74% accurate. In the rare occasion, the 7th candle would also be green. And in that occasion, if the 7th is green, the 8th candle has around a 50% chance of being red. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th is also green. 8th candle was red. Let's go to Algo. Oh, and that's also true for Ethereum. If you saw this earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th is also green, so the 8th candle has around a 50% chance of being red, which it did. So where were we? Litecoin, yeah, we just went through that. I'm just gonna go through this entire list. Algo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. BCH, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seen in purple, so this is a rare occasion. 7 is green, so the 8th has a 50% of being red, so here we go. VeChain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, it's almost comical how often this freaking works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is Axie Infinity. 7th is a red. Atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th is a red. Surprise, surprise. FTT, this is FTX's coin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. And you might guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. And probably at this point, you're just seeing the yellow circle and you already assume what's about to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. XMR, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. AVE, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. We're almost done, guys. Rune, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red. So now the black swan in all this is this coin called Leo. I have no idea what's going on here, but the pattern here completely breaks down for literally only this coin as far as I can tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then red. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then red. So this is why the percentages is a bit lower. It could be like 85% accurate or 90%, but because of Leo, this and one other thing, it's like just a completely black swan. So I guess it doesn't work for every single one, which is comforting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for something called MKR. No idea what it is, but 7th candle is a red. And so we start going into things that aren't even coins. These are just like the Ethereum, Bitcoin valuation, and even this has some of the characteristics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7th is a red. I don't know why that is, but it just happens like that. So this is the total market cap of all of crypto, and you can see something similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. And if you're wondering why I didn't circle these, it's because this did not count as 6 green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that case, the pattern wouldn't even count. And so over here, we can see that this is the rare occasion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th is also green, so the red candle on the 8th has a 50% probability of happening. And so like you're wondering like, okay, why is this a 50% probability when literally every time we've seen this, the 8th candle is red? Well, it's because of Leo, because Leo had 9 green candles. So I have to put that in because that is part of the statistics. That is part of what I have. And also, this is total 2, which is total market cap of all of crypto, excluding Bitcoin. And this is also what the black swan that completely throws off this pattern, but I am still counting it. There was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green candles before a red candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, well, this one should be purple then. Oopsies. Well, I guess this is purple. I guess the statistics got changed like by 2%. But anyways, this is kind of like a black swan. But in general, for regular coins, I mean, it's a pretty accurate, thing. And you could tell my quote unquote scientific conclusion after counting all of the circles, the yellows, the purple, and the red, 23 out of 31 of the 6 monthly candles, the 7th will be red. So my conclusion is if November's monthly candle ends green for Luna, which it could still not be green, we still have a day and about 2 days left in this green candle. But if it does end up being green, the 7th monthly candle, which is the December candle, has a 74.19% of being red. And if the 7th candle, which is the rare occasion that we showed in purple, if it does become the 7th candle being green, then there's a high probability of the 8th candle being red, as we've shown in all of these different examples. So if that's all you want to see, you can click off the video, but I just want to go further and explain why this is. And so what you're looking at over here, you have to keep in mind that you're just looking at a bunch of transactions and transactions of humans making decisions. And so what you're looking at is candles representing human psychology and behavior under a similar set of conditions. We tend to do the same thing over and over again. And that's why we have crypto cycles. So that was just my definition. Like, that's why you see Bitcoin doing the same thing over and over again. That's why we have these cycles, and that's mostly because, people get FOMO. We think that it's going to go up, go down. So humans tend to make the same decisions under the same set of circumstances. So that's why I think these patterns keep repeating. That's all I have to say. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.